So hello guys, so in today's video we're going to install Linux Ubuntu on Virtualbox. So let's get started. First we should have this two things, Ubuntu installation disk and Virtualbox. So I'm going to open Virtualbox. So we're clicking new. We will type the name of the system, Ubuntu. So clicking next. So we're choosing the RAM. So typing 2 gig of RAM. So we're creating a hard disk now. So hard disk file type. So I'm gonna choose this. So we are now choosing two types of storage on physical hard disk. So there are two types, the dynamically allocated and a fixed size. So I will be choose fixed size because it is faster. So here I'm gonna use a 15 gigabyte of hard disk. So we will just wait until it finishes.
A few moments later.
Now we are done in creating a virtual machine Ubuntu. So I'm going to adjust some system in order to adjust some performance of our virtual machine. Now we start our installation of Linux Ubuntu. So click start. So we're choosing the installation disk of Linux. So we're gonna add the installation disk. So here's the Ubuntu installation disk. So I will just that. Click start. Now Linux Ubuntu is now loading.
One eternity later.
We are now here at the setup installation. So we're gonna just install Ubuntu. So you should try here first. So I'm gonna click install Ubuntu. So we're choosing the keyboard layout. So just click continue. We are here now on updates and other software. So what app would you like to install to start with? Normal installation or minimal installation? So just choose one of these. So I'm gonna choose minimal installation and click continue. Installation type. So just click install now and click continue. So where are you? So you will choose where is your location to determine the time here. So I'll click continue. So my name is physics count. That's it. So I'm gonna type my own password. Login automatically or require password to log in. Click continue. So Linux Ubuntu is now installing. So we just wait here until the installation is finished.
20 minutes later.
Installation is now complete, so we're gonna restart our Linux.
1 eternity later.
Finally, after our installation, we can now use our Linux Ubuntu. So use this, you can connect your online account. I'm just gonna skip that. Click next. Then here we go, done. We can now use our Linux Ubuntu. So that's it. So that's all for today.